Imagine this. You have $1,000 in your hands. That's it. Not a fortune, not an inheritance, just a single $1,000. To most people, it's rent money, grocery bills, or maybe a quick vacation. But to the wealthy, to the strategic, it's the seed that can grow into something massive. What if I told you that $1,000, properly invested, could become $100,000? Sounds impossible. It's not, but it requires strategy, discipline, and a mindset shift. The difference between those who stay broke and those who become rich is not how much they start with, it's how they use what they have. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn $1,000 into $100,000, step by step. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about smart investments, calculated risks, and proven methods that have built real wealth. Let's get started. Step 1. The power of multiplication. Most people think saving is the key to wealth. But if you simply save $1,000 in a bank account, earning less than 1% interest per year, it will take you over 700 years to reach $100,000. That's not how the rich do it. The wealthy understand the power of multiplication, turning every dollar into an employee that works for them. Money must move, it must grow, it must be invested. Here's the rule of the game. To turn $1,000 into $100,000, you need to double your money a few times. It's not about making one giant leap, it's about strategic steps. Let's break it down. $1,000 doubled becomes $2,000. $2,000 doubled becomes dollar for thousand. For $1,000 becomes $8,000. $8,000 becomes $16,000. $16,000 becomes $32,000. $32,000 becomes $64,000. And $64,000 becomes $100,000. Plus, it only takes 7 strategic moves to make it happen. Now, let me show you how. Step 2. Picking the right wealth vehicles. There are only a few ways to multiply money fast, and I'll break down the best ones. 1. High-income skills and flipping assets. One of the fastest ways to double $1,000 is through flipping, buying low, selling high. People have done this with sneakers, digital products, cars, websites, even domain names. Imagine this. You find undervalued products, say, a limited edition sneaker for $200. You sell it online for $600. That's a 3x return instantly. Do this 5 times and your $1,000 becomes $5,000 in weeks, not years. 2. Investing in stocks and index funds. Let's be real, not everyone has time to flip products, so let's talk about stocks. If you put $1,000 into the S&P 500, a basket of the 500 biggest companies in the US, history shows it returns 10% per year on average. That's solid, but we're here for acceleration. Instead of basic stocks, consider growth stocks like Tesla, Nvidia, or Amazon in their early days. Dividends, companies that pay you just for holding shares. Options trading for advanced investors, a way to multiply gains faster. With strategic reinvestment, $1,000 in high-growth stocks can become $10,000 plus in just a few years. 3. Cryptocurrency and Web3 opportunities. Now, listen carefully. Crypto is not a lottery ticket, but it has changed lives. Bitcoin was once $100, Ethereum was under $1. Today, they are worth thousands. Imagine you bought the right crypto projects early and held onto them. A well-researched $1,000 investment could turn into $50,000 or more. 4. Building digital assets, content, courses, e-commerce. One of the most underrated ways to multiply money is by creating something once and selling it forever. If you use $1,000 to create a digital course, a niche YouTube channel, a profitable Etsy or Shopify store, you can turn that small seed into $10,000 month or more with consistency. Step 3. The snowball effect. Here's the truth. Your first $10,000 is the hardest. But once you reach it, multiplying money gets easier. Wealthy people never just spend money, they reinvest. If you turn $1,000 into $5,000, don't cash out. Reinvest into better, bigger opportunities. If you made money from stocks, double down on high-growth assets. If you made money from flipping, scale up to bigger, more profitable products. If you made money from crypto, reinvest in the next emerging trend. The wealth snowball effect is real. The more money you make, the faster it grows. Final step, the 3 golden rules of wealth before you go out and start flipping sneakers, investing in stocks, or launching your first digital product. Remember these 3 rules. 1. Speed beats perfection. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Start now and adjust as you go. 2. The goal is cash flow. Wealth isn't just about hitting $100,000. It's about creating a system that keeps making you money. 3. No one gets rich alone. Learn from people who've already done it. Read books, take courses, surround yourself with winners. Think about this right now. 2 types of people are watching this video. The first, they hear this, they get excited for a few minutes. And then they do nothing, they go back to their routine, scrolling endlessly, waiting for the right time. And guess what? A year from now, they'll be in the exact same place, wondering why their life hasn't changed. But the second type, they take action, they don't have excuses. They don't say, I'll start tomorrow. They hear this and they move. They start small, they learn, they fail, they adapt. And before they know it, they've turned $1,000 into $10,000, $10,000 into $50,000, and then into $100,000. Which one are you? Because here's the truth, money doesn't grow in your bank account, it grows in your mind. Your knowledge, your actions, your ability to see opportunities before others do, that's what builds wealth. Right now, you have a choice. You can close this video and forget everything I just told you. Or you can take your first step today. Wealth is not given, it's built, and no one is going to build it for you. The question is, are you ready to build yours? This is Head of Billions. Now go out there and make it happen. If you're serious about turning $1,000 into $100,000, don't just watch, take action. Drop a comment below. What's the first move you're going to make? Flipping stocks, crypto, let's talk strategies. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this, someone who's ready to level up their financial game. Subscribe now to Head of Billions for more step-by-step wealth-building strategies, investment tips, and mindset hacks. Turn knowledge into action. Your $100,000 journey starts today.